Welcome, the second part of the UniGUI web application development video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make database web application using UniGUI framework. So let's get started. The main form. Main form is a single form implementing the SPA which is created and shown after successful login or if no login form exists. In general, a main form is the application form used to navigate to other forms using menus or other navigation tools, for instance, main menu, buttons, etc. Main form is automatically created when a new project is created. Each web session has its own private copy of main form and closing a main form will terminate the session. The server module. Each UniGUI web application contains a special data module named server module, which is the core module of the application. It's singleton, which means that is created only once per application. It is mainly used to configure various server settings. So main module. Main module can be considered the heart of the session. It is a special purpose, the data module, which is automatically created and added to the project each time a new project is created. Main module has many important roles in a UniGUI application. Some of these roles are not visible to the developers. For developers, main module can be used to place resources shared by a session, such as database connections, shared variables, etc. For instance, you can declare public variables in main module's public section and then access them from other forms in the session. So it's time to demo. So here is the fish facts demo application created using the UniGUI. So here is the uniform and we have a data source and unilabels, UniDB components that you can connect to database using this UniDB components. So this is the UniDB edit components and UniDB image, and this is the UniDB demo and main menu, image list, native image list. So here is the UniDB grid. So as you can see, these components have data source and data fields properties. So in the main module, we have to connect to database. I'm going to add client dataset component, and we can open this context menu and load from my base table. And from soft framework, UniGUI, demos, and common data, we have databases. So we have to select the client dataset or all files. As you can see, there's a biolife.cds. So open it. As you can see, there's no code. It's all generated by UniGUI framework. And then come back to main, and we have to select the data source. And in database dataset, we have the unimain module client dataset 1. So first of all, we have to add main module to our users class on this main.pass or main form. So then we can connect to client dataset and we can select this and data source to data source 1 and a category. This is this one, common name, and this is the length and length inch. So in the UniDB image, we have to select data source and graphic, data source and nodes, and also this navigator. So that's it. So we can select this data source and we have events. As you can see, there is a on data change, so we can open it. So on data change event, the unit starts bar panels 0. The text object gets data source 1 dataset and filled by name spaces no, and it gets the access string. And the next text object gets the common name as a string. So in the exit click, we can just type the close procedure, closes the web application, and the uniform show, it shows that it opens the data source one. So now we can save it and run without debugging. So here is our UniGUI server. We can just open the server monitor. So this shows the server informations. We can go to the localhost. And this is our fish facts demo application. You can click this next buttons and edit it. And also you can add other data. So we have to write integer. That's it. So I hope you have enjoyed this widget tutorial. In the next video, we will discover the HTML5 and its CSS3 common fundamentals.